Imagine your refrigerator as the heart of your kitchen. And the JUFZQO upgraded WP2262441 glass shelf is a vital artery, ensuring smooth and organized circulation of your food. This replacement shelf, compatible with Kenmore, Whirlpool, and Maytag refrigerators, is not just a piece of glass. It is a meticulously engineered component designed to restore your appliance's full functionality and aesthetic appeal. For instance, consider the old shelf, perhaps cracked or clouded, as a hazy window on a beautiful day, obscuring the view and making it difficult to find what you need. However, with this pristine new glass insert, your refrigerator's interior transforms into a crystal clear display case, allowing you to see every item with perfect clarity. This Maytag Whirlpool glass shelf replacement is a beacon of organization, providing a sturdy and dependable platform for all your groceries, from heavy milk jugs to delicate containers. Moreover, the installation process is as simple as a gentle breeze, gliding the old out and the new in without any hassle. Unlike many repairs that feel like a Herculean task, replacing your glass shelf is an easy and rewarding experience. For example, if your old shelf has a spider web of cracks, it's like a fractured mirror, reflecting disarray and potential danger. But once the JUFZQO upgraded WP2262441 shelf is in place, it becomes a smooth, uninterrupted surface, a still pond reflecting the perfect order of your food. Subsequently, this replacement part, also known as Maytag Whirlpool glass shelf replacement, is a testament to the fact that even small upgrades can have a profound impact on your daily life. It brings back the sense of calm and control to your kitchen, ensuring that every time you open your refrigerator door, you are greeted with a sight of perfect harmony and a place for everything. Furthermore, this shelf is not just for functionality, it's a peace of mind, so you no longer have to worry about a sudden collapse. Ultimately, the JUFZQO upgraded WP2262441 refrigerator glass shelf is an investment in the longevity and efficiency of your appliance. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use, acting as a steadfast guardian of your groceries. Additionally, it restores the freezer's glass shelf, which is often forgotten yet crucial. Thus, this Maytag Whirlpool glass shelf replacement is a complete solution, addressing multiple needs with a single, high-quality product. In conclusion, it's the little things that make a big difference. And this glass shelf is proof of that principle, turning a once cluttered and broken space into a well-organized and reliable one, ensuring your kitchen remains the vibrant, functional heart of your home. Pros: cheaper than Whirlpool, easy to install with degreaser, Whirlpool brand replacement 5 out of 5 stars, positive review, verified purchase, fits well, good value, happy with the product. Cons: perfect fit versus paying way more for Whirlpool name brand replacement. I used a little degreaser in the tray slot for easier insertion of the glass. If you are not able to get the give any as per your understanding, difficult insertion, requires additional tools or liquids, doesn't fit perfectly without effort, could be fragile, may not be durable, doesn't come with instructions features. Fits Whirlpool refrigerators, works with Maytag models, replaces HKXSQ00 alternative for M8RXCGFXS04 freezer glass shelf, replacement glass insert, easy to install, durable construction. This JUFZQO upgraded refrigerator glass shelf is a direct replacement for Whirlpool, Kenmore, and Maytag refrigerators. It replaces part number 2,262,441, as well as R6AHKXSQ00 and M8RXCGFXS04. The shelf is designed for the freezer section. It is a durable and easy to install glass insert. The JUFZQO upgraded WP2262441 refrigerator glass shelf is a highly rated, affordable replacement for Kenmore, Whirlpool, and Maytag refrigerators. Customers praise it as a perfect and cost-effective alternative to the more expensive Whirlpool brand shelf. It is noted for being a good value and easy to install, although some users found that using a degreaser helped with insertion. While the product has overwhelmingly positive reviews, potential downsides include the need for extra effort or degreaser during installation, and the possibility of it being fragile, not perfectly durable, or not coming with detailed instructions.